Dear users, we're pleased to introduce a product of the new era in the Ultima ecosystem, the Ultima Trading Platform. This platform offers automated trade bots designed exclusively for spot trading in the Ultima USDT pair on the Mexc cryptocurrency exchange. In this guide, we'll explain how the trade bot works, how Ultima Trading works. Ultima Trading is an automated trade bot designed for spot trading exclusively in the Ultima/USDT pair. To start earning a profit, you need to purchase a license and connect your Mexc account to the bot. The bot will trade according to specific algorithms and generate profits for you. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Mexc and fund it. A detailed guide to creating an account can be found at this link. Each Ultima bot license has a maximum profit limit that the bot can generate. Step 1. Purchasing a license. Log in to the Ultima Trading Platform. On the left, you'll see a button labeled How It Works, which provides information on how the platform functions. On this page in the menu, you'll see the section My Trade Bots. Here, you'll find available licenses. Licenses differ in price and the percentage of profit the bot will generate before stopping. To purchase a license, click Purchase. A window will open, prompting you to choose a payment method. Select the payment option available to you. In the example, payment is demonstrated by freezing Ultima coins for 3 years. To proceed with payment, check the box confirming you agree to the payment terms, then click Purchase. A payment window will open, where you must enter the wallet address to which you'll receive your coins after the 3-year freeze period. Please note that you need to specify your smart wallet, not your exchange wallet. Enter your wallet address, check the box confirming your agreement with the conditions, and click Confirm Purchase. You will then see a window with the address where you need to send your coins for freezing. Send the specified amount. Once the payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation message. Step 2. Funding your Mexc exchange account. For the bot to start working, you must fund your Mexc balance with an amount equivalent to the license cost. This is important. The bot cannot create profit from nothing. It uses your funds to trade. Also note that the bot will use the entire Mexc account balance, not just the amount required for its operation. Example: if you purchased a license for €220, you must have at least €220 in USDT in your Mexc balance. You can fund your balance at any time after purchasing the license. You can upgrade a license to a higher one, but only for a bot that has not yet finished its work. Keep in mind that after upgrading a license, the balance on Mexc must be funded with the total amount corresponding to both the previously purchased license plus the new one. Example: if you upgrade your license from €220 to €11,000, your balance on Mexc must be €11,220 in USDT. After the license update, you need to reactivate the bot. Each bot has a profit limit, after which the bot automatically stops operating. However, you can always review the stats of bots that have completed their work to evaluate their performance. Step 3. Activating the license. After purchasing, the next step is activating your license. To do this, click Activate Bot on the screen. A bot activation window will appear. Copy the IP address from the last step. Step 4. Connecting your Mexc account to the bot. You now need to connect your Mexc account to the bot. Follow these steps. Log into your Mexc account at the official website. Ensure your Mexc account is funded with the amount equal to the cost of your license. If not, top it up. Go to API Management. Hover over your profile avatar in the top right corner and select API Management from the drop-down menu. Create API keys, an access key and a secret key. Important: before creating keys, enable two-factor authentication in your account. To create your keys, follow these steps. Set the permissions for the API key in the Spot section. View account details, view order details, trade. Add a name for the key in the Notes field. Paste the IP address you copied earlier from Step 3. Click Create. Complete two-factor authentication if prompted. You'll see a message indicating the keys, access key and secret key have been successfully created. You need both keys for the integration. Copy and save your access key and secret key. Note that the secret key is shown only once, so be sure to keep it safe. The access key can always be found in the My API Key section. Important: never share your API keys with anyone, as they grant full access to your account. Do not store them in public repositories or on open web pages. If you lose your keys or suspect they've been compromised, delete them immediately and create new ones. Connect the trading pair. Connect the Ultima/USDT trading pair. In the My API Keys section in your Exchange account, find the API key, access key, you just created. Click Set and choose the Ultima/USDT pair. Make sure you select only one pair. Return to the Ultima Trading website, go to My Trade Bots, and paste the saved keys into the respective fields. After entering the key, click Integrate. Done. Your bot is successfully activated. You'll see a push notification confirming this. Step 5. Managing and analyzing the bot's performance. Go to My Trade Bots. Here you'll find detailed information about your bot. License profit, the percentage of profit your bot will generate. Profit in USDT, how much USDT in profit you'll receive when the bot finishes. Needed deposit in USDT, how much USDT must be on your exchange balance for the bot to operate correctly. Note: you can only connect the bot if your Mexc account is funded. If your account is not funded, the system won't let you connect your account. After you activate the bot, it will begin its work. You will immediately have access to the dashboard, the bot management page. To get there, click Dashboard on the My Trade Bots page. In the Trade Statistics widget on the dashboard, you can see current profit, daily, weekly, monthly, number of orders opened and closed by the bot, profit in percentage, your exchange balance in Ultima and USDT. Below that, you can watch the Ultima/USDT chart in real time. In the Trading Orders section, you'll see the entire order history created by the bot, Trade ID, the bot's Trade ID, buy, time and purchase price, sale, sale time and the size of the sell order, Ultima, number of Ultima purchased, USDT, amount of USDT spent to buy Ultima, status, the trade's status, profit, how much the bot earned from that particular trade. The bot uses 4 trading strategies simultaneously: the price breakout strategy, the aggressive growth strategy, high-frequency trading, and the growth hack strategy. It executes all strategies at the same time. You can learn more about each of them in another video on our YouTube channel. Activating and stopping the bot. The bot continues to operate until it achieves the stated profit. You can stop or restart the bot at any time in the My Trade Bots section, or in the top part of the license dashboard page. You can pause the bot by clicking Pause Bot. Bot upgrade. The bot's license will automatically upgrade once it reaches a certain turnover threshold. You can buy an unlimited number of licenses. Check the required turnover amount and license status in the Bot Licenses section. Automatic upgrades occur to the following values: 1,100 euros, medium license, 5,500 euros, Pro license, and 11,000 euros, Master license. Note that an upgrade to the 550 euro basic license is unavailable because the next turnover after 220 euros is 1,100 euros. Example: let's say you bought 4 licenses at 220 euros each. Your total turnover would be 880 euros, 220 times 4. To reach a turnover of 1,100 euros, you need to purchase another 220 euros license. Thus, to get the 1,100 euro medium license, you'd need either 5 licenses at 220 euros, start, or 2 licenses at 550 euros, basic. That's it for this guide on how the Ultima Trade Bot works. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our support team at any time.